The IICRC is an ANSI-accredited standards development organization. Its mission is to create and advance globally recognized standards and certifications for the inspection, cleaning, and restoration industries. IICRC standards establish peer-reviewed and industry-accepted best practices and procedures for cleaning, inspection, and restoration. As a not-for-profit organization, the IICRC is the most trusted independent name in the industry. From floor coverings to upholstery cleaning, to fire and water damage, to mold removal to inspection, IICRC certifications are the gold standard, signaling technical excellence to employers and customers alike. Inspection, cleaning, and restoration firms can apply to become an IICRC certified firm. This third-party endorsement validates a firm's technical expertise and offers instant credibility to consumers. To learn more about becoming an IICRC certified inspector, technician, or certified firm, visit iicrc.org.